Hello everybody, Venture Munch here, and I'm just gonna make a video because I haven't uploaded 2 months, so I'm just gonna try and see what cap rate I am. So let's just get started. How often do you ask for advice? Yeah, sometimes. I don't even like hacks all the time. Choose a place to live near the sea, in the forest, in the mountains. Probably in the forest. Are you lazy? Let's see. I guess literature, because I can't draw. And I don't know what philosophy is. I heard it, but I can't remember what it was. What do you value in people? See. Listening skills. Do you travel a lot? Sometimes. How do you like to sleep? Is there like an option for all of these? I guess on the side. I think I sleep like that most of the time. Are you popular with your peers? Not really. What is on the first place? What? Mine? Which weather do you prefer? I'll take warm. Really? Okay. What's your biggest fear? Oh, okay. What's your biggest fear? I'm scared of like 2 of these things. I can't do heights, I can't do spiders. Like one is more likely to kill you. Okay. What do you like more? Water, air, earth? I'm quiet. I don't even talk a lot. Let's see. What kind of shoes do you prefer? Slip-on, sneakers, boots? Sneakers. Can you sit still? I guess. Well, I can sit still, it's just not all the time. Do you often postpone tasks? Constantly doing so, I try not to do so. Yes, it happens. Yeah. I'd be lying if I said no. Do you wake up early on the weekend? For lunch. What do you prefer? Singing, dancing, playing sports? Singing? Doing sports? I did a few, but not really. So I guess I do that. What do you like to eat? I like to eat sweets and spaghetti, mostly sweets. I'm not. Okay. Favorite genre movie? Comedy, action, horrors. I like horror. They're funny. And like just stupid. Choose a snack, popcorn, burger. Vegetables are banned. Are you often late for meetings? I've never even been to a meeting. This is like a teacher-parent conference. Counts. Choose a litter color. Blue. Are you afraid of water? I like water, but I don't like deep water. So I can do like, it's like I enjoy swimming, but I don't like going in deep water like that. So an ocean and all that stuff's pretty much out of the question. But I could do, I guess I only drink water. Do you spend a lot of money? My parents don't give me money. Do you like pets? Yes. Do you have a dog at home? I would like to. I prefer cats. How often do you brush your teeth? 1 time per day? Let me pause you. Are you afraid of mongrels? Are those supposed to be like, is that like the mean version of dogs? I guess only large. It's like they don't really scare me that much. I am a sphinx. They don't give you like a description? It's cute though. So I guess that's all for today. Now I just want to try and get a random one real quick. Kind of, so I guess we'll just do another one. But like, I'm actually just gonna start doing things that I haven't done. Always on live, active, whatever philosophy is. Are you afraid of water? No vegetables, never. You wake up early on the weekend. Choose a place to live. Joke's on them, I'm already reading that. Favorite genre of the movie? Let's do comedy. Oh, I didn't know there was an I love option. I should have read all those. I would sense. I don't even know how to play that game. What's your biggest fear? Oh yeah, I hit heights last time, so do spiders. Do you travel a lot? Um, okay, let's see what this one is. You are Turkish Angora. Okay. Oh, I guess that's it for now. I just realized there was a more task thing at the bottom. So I guess I might download one of those if you guys want to see another one. But in the meantime, bye. And if you also if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.